Hello everyone. In today's video I am sharing a recipe of whole wheat matri. For the kids it is far much better than any biscuit or any matri which is available in the market, which is full of preservatives and maida. For this what we need 1 cup whole wheat atta, and to that we are going to add 2 tablespoons suji or semolina. Adding suji adds a lot of crispness to the matri. Now we are going to add salt to taste, and with this we are going to add carom seeds. It makes the digestion easy and proper of the fried matri, so we are adding it. To this we are going to add a pinch of black pepper. It's completely optional. You may add it if your child likes it. Now to this we are going to add 2 tablespoons of groundnut oil. Adding oil to this mixture will add a lot of crispness to the matris. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to mix in all the dry ingredients till we get a crumble like consistency. This kind of consistency we require. You can easily see that the atta forms crumbles. Now we are going to knead the dough hard like we do it for a puri. Now we'll slowly add the water and we are going to knead the dough. This is comparatively very easy to make. I didn't find much time to make this matri, and these are loved by kids, and that, believe me, far much better than any store-bought matri or any biscuit which we give to our kids, as they are full of maida and preservatives and chemicals. So now we are going to knead the dough hard and let the dough rest for about 10 minutes. After the dough has properly rested, now we are going to roll the dough with the help of a chakla and belin. Apply some oil so that the dough doesn't stick to the chakla belin, and we are going to roll it flat. I'll divide the mixture into 2 parts, and the thickness of the roll will be slightly more than what we do for puri or parantha. Now what I am going to do, after rolling out the dough, I am going to cut the matri into fun shape for the kids, as the kids love a lot of shapes. So I'll be cutting them into star shape and many more shapes with the help of a cookie cutter. If you don't have a cookie cutter, what you can do, you can just simply cut a circle with the help of a bottle cap. If you don't want to do this also, then you can simply do what I will be doing in the last step with the help of knife. What I forgot was to pierce it with the help of a fork. This step will allow us to make the matris non-fluffy, as we don't want them to fluff. So now I'll be taking the other shape, which is the flower shape. You can take any shape which is loved by your kid. And next I'm going to take one heart shape, and then finally with the help of rest of the dough, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just cut that dough with the help of a knife into small square pieces. Cheese bit size pieces are also loved by kids. Now at the same time we are going to heat the oil in a kadhai so that we can deep fry all our matris. I have taken groundnut oil. I always suggest not to use refined oil. You can use any cold pressed oil, or you can also use yellow mustard oil. Once the oil is heated, we are going to drop in our matris and make sure the oil is very hot, and once the oil has attained a temperature, then you lower the flame on medium and then you cook matris so that matris are cooked evenly from inside also. You can see I have not pierced with the help of a fork into the flower one, and it has slightly puffed. So it is not liked, so make sure to puff the dough with the help of a fork. Now we are going to fry it till we get a golden crisp color. You can see the change in the color. Now our matris are ready to be served to our kids with a lot of health and nutrition. A lot of mom will relate to me. I hope you like the video. I thank all of you for watching the video. Do like, share and follow.